Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Huawei Watch GT3 to an iPhone. First, download the Huawei Health app directly from the App Store. Next, ensure your iPhone's Bluetooth is enabled in its settings. Finally, power on your Huawei Watch GT3. These initial steps are crucial for preparing both devices for a smooth and successful pairing process, setting the foundation for full functionality and data synchronization. Once the app is ready, open the Huawei Health application and navigate to the Devices section. Tap on Add Device, then select Smartwatches, and choose your specific Huawei Watch GT3 model from the list. A pairing request will appear on both your iPhone and the watch screen. Confirm this request on both devices to establish a secure and stable connection between them. For full functionality, it is essential to grant all requested permissions to the Huawei Health app, including access to notifications and location services. Also, enable background app refresh for the Huawei Health app within your iPhone settings to ensure continuous data synchronization. Finally, customize your notification preferences directly within the app for desired alerts. If you encounter any connection issues, a simple restart of both your iPhone and the Huawei Watch GT3 can often resolve them. Always ensure the Huawei Health app is updated to its latest version for optimal performance and compatibility. During the initial pairing, keep your devices close, ideally within a few feet, to establish a strong and reliable connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.